Hello there. So you want to know how you can use Telegram bots? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. Simply go ahead and open your Telegram application, and I hope you've already logged in. The easiest way to create your own bot and start using the bots is going to be by searching for bot father on your Telegram, and when you go ahead and open it, as you can see, it's going to tell you to write /start. And as you can see, this is all you can do. So you can control by sending these commands. So as you can see, you can create a new bot, edit your bots. You can also go ahead and edit bots. So set name, description, set about text, user pick, you can set commands and stuff like that right over here. You could also go ahead and set join groups, set privacies, and many more. So that is about it. All you need to do is simply go ahead and create a bot right over here. So for example, let's just do a quick one. So for example, let's say /new bot. Now as you can see, it says how are we going to call it. Please choose a name for it. You can simply go ahead and call it whatever you want. Body. Now it says it must be end in bot, so we can simply write body bot. Okay, so it says it's already taken, so you can just make any name. Okay, this is also taken. There you go, it's just done, created a bot. Now you can add description, about section, you can add anything you want to right over here. And also you can simply go ahead for your description, you can go to coretelegram.org/bot/API. You can simply copy and paste the API, or you could also see a /help for list of commands that you can go ahead and go through. So that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button.